Hello everyone, I hope you are having a great day and that you are all healthy. I wanted to share a quick DIY with you for a cloth baby wipe solution. And obviously you could probably use this with anything, paper towels, Kleenex, whatever you have at home, but I will be demonstrating it with cloth wipes, and it's more that what it's specifically for. But just with everything that's going on right now, and with stores being out of stock on a lot of essentials, and even online retailers having limited supply, and mainly on baby wipes, I thought now would be a really good time for me to share this DIY with you guys. And I also am going to briefly show a little bit of what I do with cloth diapering as well. I just thought I would kind of just throw it into the same video to kind of give an update on my cloth diapering routine. But this is very simple. It uses mainly ingredients that you probably already have at home. So it can be really easy to make. And if you don't have cloth wipes, another thing you could use is to cut up an old cotton t-shirt, or even flannel sheets, old flannel sheets. You could cut those up and turn those into cloth wipes. So to start off with, it mainly comprises of baby wash. I particularly like the Lemongrass Spa, or the Lemongrass Littles line. This is their old packaging, but the prebiotic baby wash is really great because with the prebiotics, they help to balance the body's pH level. And my little one in particular is very prone to diaper rashes. I think most of it is due to ongoing allergies that we're trying to pinpoint. But since switching to using my own homemade solution, she seems to be doing a whole lot better with that than when I was using regular wipes. So baby wash, whatever you use at home and what you trust for your littles, that will work perfectly. So I'm just showing you what I use. Some sort of liquid oil. You could use jojoba oil. I use fractionated coconut oil. You could also use our nourishing body oil. I don't see why you couldn't use this. It has a mix of very great nourishing oils. It does have jojoba oil in it. It has apricot kernel oil in it. It has vitamin E, so that's really great. And then lavender is also really soothing. So you could totally use this as well if this is what you have on hand. And then just water. And then I will be showing you my bulk. So I will be putting it in a glass jar. I also, for day-to-day use, I put it in these glass amber bottles. Amber bottles are a little heavier duty. And spraying it on makes it so much easier. So hope this is helpful, and I will show you how I make it really quick. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to put about 4 pumps of the soap in, and about 2 squirts of the coconut oil. I'm using fractionated coconut oil, and the reason is that traditional coconut oil that you would find in the grocery store, the solid version, when it gets cold, is going to go back to a solid, and if you keep your house at a cooler temp, more than likely your diaper wipe solution is also going to go solid. So I like using the fractionated coconut oil because it always stays as a liquid. So just keep that in mind. Then I'm going to add a little bit of warm water. I'm using warm water just to help the soap dissolve easily. But if you're going to be making a lot all at one time and it's going to be sitting around for a while, you may want to use distilled water just so that it doesn't grow any bacteria. And then I just shake it up to mix it, and you're done. You can then pour it into your spray bottle, and or you can make it directly in your spray bottle. If you're going to make it directly in the spray bottle like this is a 4-ounce bottle, and I half the recipe for that. So yeah, this is our changing table, and I'll quickly show you kind of how my setup. Um, so this is where I keep my diapers and my cloth wipes. I use the Charlie Banana and the Fuzzy Bun brand. Um, and they're a pocket diaper, and I'll show you what that means in a second. And then I also do use disposables for at night, or if she's being babysat, or if we're out on the go. But I just make sure to say that they are paraben free and chlorine free, etc. Just so it doesn't irritate her skin. But I keep my wipes in this glass container. I actually used to put the solution directly in with the wipes, but just started being a hassle, and they were always super, super cold. And I prefer actually using them dry so that I can actually dry off her bum anyways. So, and then I have the solution and the water in these little spray bottles. And so what I do is I have two different types of wipes. This is just a full organic cotton, and this one I think is a I'm not sure actually what this one is. They came with my diapers because I got them secondhand. So what I do is I will spray down her bum with the solution, and then I will take the wipe and then wipe all the liquid off, like normal. And then what I will do, if it's a wet diaper, I'll just do pretty much one wipe, fold it over, spritz her with water, and then finish off to make sure her bum is dry. But if it's a dirty diaper, what I'll do is I will use the diaper to wipe off any solids, and then do the same thing, but I will then turn this inside out after doing it twice with the solution to make sure all the solids are off, and then I will use it. This is the diaper rash balm that I use, and if it gets too bad, I will use the Kids Sense Tender Tush. And I'm actually going to try the Seedlings, but she hasn't had a bad diaper rash for a while. So that's what we do for that. So I'll show you the diaper really quick. So like I said, these are pocket diapers, and pocket diaper means is that instead of using like the old-fashioned wrap it around the baby, use clips, and then have a waterproof shell over the top, this is actually just all built into one. So it's just all into one. So traditionally you would stuff, it would come with an insert. It looks like this, and it's I think a microfiber. And you would stuff it into this pocket here. As you can see, this part is kind of plasticky and waterproof, and that keeps their clothes from getting wet. But I found she is allergic to this. So I had to, before I gave up completely, I had to find an alternative, and I found natural fibers worked the best for her. So this is just a pre-fold cotton diaper, like what most people will use as a burp rag. This one is a Gerber organic pre-fold, but it's really, really thick right here. And this one is a organic bamboo. I also have another organic bamboo one right here that I got off of Amazon. Bamboo is really nice for overnight or nap time, or if you have a really heavy wetter, because bamboo is very, very absorbent. So that's just what I have found to work the best, is these, and kind of turning these into a shell rather than using it as a pocket diaper. So yeah, that's what I use. For my diaper pail, I use the Decor pails, and this one's, it just, is a step, and it has a nice cover. This one is their classic, the gray one is, and the white one is their plus, and that's what I used for the cloth diapers. and I put a wet bag in it, and this is what contains all the dampness from those wet and soiled diapers. And I also, for prepping for her dirty diapers, I will use these bamboo liners, and I get them off Amazon, but I lay them on top of the insert, and it's just a rectangle. It tears off like paper towels, and this catches all the solids so that I don't need a diaper sprayer, because I do not use a diaper sprayer because I know my little one, and when she gets older it would get sprayed all over the bathroom. So that's just what I use to capture all the solids, and you just pick it up and throw it in the garbage. So that makes it super easy. Found this helpful? Let me know if you have any tips that you have found to work, because I am always open to suggestions. But I just wanted to share what I have found to work for me, because I know things are really, really crazy right now, and it's going to get hard to find some of these essentials. And I know even if this doesn't apply to you, maybe you do know someone that this would help. So just thought I would share my experiences, and hope you guys liked it. Hope you have a good rest of your day, and stay safe. Bye-bye.